Hi guys. Once you've set up your OpenCart, one of the biggest challenges is removing the countries that are not applicable in your case and remaining only with a few countries or one country that you feel are very crucial in your operations. So in this video, I'll show you a trick on how you can manage that without a plugin. It will just need maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes for you to complete the task. So let's jump right into it. Now, when you access the countries list below system location, localization and then countries, you'll find a list of all countries. Now, if you, for example, try to delete any of these countries, it will tell you that it's not able to delete them. And let's see. So it will tell you that this country cannot be deleted because it has 9 zones. So what that means is that, for example, one of these countries, maybe, for example, Gabon, it means that Gabon has 9 zones. And when you check zones, and then Gabon might be somewhere around here. Let's just do a quick guess. Ooh, you're still in Azerbaijan. Okay. Okay, let's use, for example, a country like what, like Canada. So you can see Canada has a couple of zones right here, uh, which means that if you were to delete sorry, not Gabon, if you were to select to delete Canada, Canada should be on the second page, third page. Then select this, then click delete. So you can see Canada has 13 zones. So it means that unless those Canada has 0 zones, it's not going to be deleted. So the best way, the easiest way, is to go straight to the zones. I'm still back here at the zones. And then you select those ones that are specific to Canada, which you can do a manual selection, just a quick one, so that I show you. Okay, Canada, 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 Canada. So this is one of the ways, and as you can see, it's a bit tedious. So you can delete that. Good. And then now when you come here and try to delete it, it should work. Good. So in most cases, you want to delete a number of countries and a number of zones. So how do you do that? Now, when you check the list of zones, you'll realize that you have so many zones. Like, okay, I've already deleted a couple of them, but they are more than 3,600 zones. So in most cases, it's not going to work for you to delete one by one. So the first step, head to settings and then action, select this one. You are on this, select the option button, I mean tab. And then there's this default items per page in the admin. So how many items should be shown on each page? So by default it's 20. So you can increase this one depending on your site capacity. Let's use a good figure like 400 and then save. So once we save this, we can go back to system localization and then zones. So we should be able to see 400 zones on this page. So you can see we have reduced the pages to just 10 pages. Now, in this case, you can see, for example, countries like Cote d'Ivoire, Cook Islands, Congo, blah, blah, blah. So you can just mass select, I mean, bulk select them. In this case, just do a bulk select. So it means that we are going to delete all zones for Algeria, hopefully Angola, until we do we do delete up to the Cote d'Ivoire zone. So I'll head right into the on the top and then click delete, and let's see. Good. So we've done that. seems like Cote d'Ivoire still has more. So you can check if on this page you still need some. If you don't need, you can just go ahead and do another select, and then you delete. So you can repeat the same until you just remain with one country of your interest. So like on this page, there's Iran, Iraq, Israel, Italy. Good. Think we can delete this one. Maybe as just as last one. Delete. So I'm pretty sure that we should be able to delete up to India. I mean, when it comes to countries. So I can just refresh this list. Hmm. Okay. Something interesting. Let me see. Countries. Wow. Just a second. Localization. Then back to countries. Good. So we can now select up to India. So you can India or Italy up to Israel. Sorry. So I'll just check all of them, and then to ensure that you are able to delete, or you can just go right away and then try to delete. You should delete those countries that don't have any zones. Hmm, didn't work. So I'll have to remove a couple of them. Ooh, okay. Sorry, just remember that we have 400 on the list, so I'll just uncheck and then maybe just delete maybe like a couple of them. Good. So we have deleted a couple of them. So you can do the same quickly with these other countries, or alternatively, you can go back to this part, settings. Now that's once you ensure that you've deleted the unnecessary zones. So just switch back this option to maybe 20, right? And when you get back on this page, you should just be able to see 20 countries per page. So you can see these and then just select, delete. Good. Again, there's this page, select, delete. So you can do this, guys, until you remain with your specific, with your country of interest. So that's pretty much about it. Remember to subscribe and also share your feedback and let me know if you need any kind of help in the comments. See you guys.